Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access settings. Now click on connections over here and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to. Select pair in the pop-up and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this connection though by clicking on this gear icon over here and selecting Unpair at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!